Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Are your fuel costs higher than they should be, but your truck still doesn't feel as efficient as it could be? Air leaks in your truck's HVAC or air system might be to blame. These hidden leaks waste energy, drive up fuel costs, and put unnecessary strain on your engine. The good news is, finding and fixing these leaks is simple, and it can make a big difference in your truck's performance and comfort. Let's walk through the steps to locate and fix these leaks, and get your truck running more efficiently. Signs of air system leaks. Spotting air leaks early keeps your truck running efficiently and ensures you're not wasting fuel. If you ignore leaks, it can lead to poor fuel economy and higher operating costs. Here's how to tell if your truck's air system is leaking. Unusual whistling or hissing sounds. A leaking air system can often make a faint hissing or whistling noise, especially when the truck's air conditioning or HVAC system is running. Listen near air ducts, vents, or the compressor. These sounds are easiest to hear when the truck is running at full power. If you hear them, you've likely found a leak. Decreased air pressure or poor climate control. If the air inside your truck's cabin feels inconsistent or if the HVAC system seems weak, the air pressure could be leaking. This often happens in older vehicles or those with damaged seals. Pay attention to whether your AC or heating system isn't keeping up with demands, or if air is escaping from certain vents. Spike in fuel costs. If you've noticed an unexpected increase in fuel consumption without a clear cause, leaks could be the culprit. A leaking air system causes your truck's engine to work harder to maintain pressure, which uses more fuel. If you've experienced a sudden rise in fuel costs, check for air leaks as part of your maintenance routine. Tools needed for detecting leaks. Finding air leaks in your truck system requires the right tools. Here are some easy-to-use options for detecting leaks. Smoke pencils. A smoke pencil creates a stream of harmless smoke that reacts to air currents. Hold one near the ductwork, compressor, or any potential leak spots. If the smoke wafers are pulled into a gap, you've found a leak. These tools are especially useful for tight or hard-to-reach areas. Key benefits. Instant visual feedback. Simple to use without power or calibration. Safe around electrical components. Ultrasonic leak detectors. Ultrasonic leak detectors pick up high-frequency sounds that humans can't hear. These devices help you locate air escaping from ducts or systems. Walk around your truck while listening for spikes in sound. Louder signals mean bigger leaks. Why they work well. Locate leaks without disassembling components. Great for noisy environments or complex systems. Soap solution test. For a more DIY approach, mix soap and water in a spray bottle and apply it to areas where you suspect air leaks, such as around the compressor or air ducts. If you see bubbles forming, you found a leak. This method is quick, inexpensive, and effective for accessible areas. Steps. Mix a small amount of dish soap and water. Spray it on potential leak points. Watch for bubbles to form, which indicate escaping air. Step-by-step guide to locating leaks. Now that you know what to look for and have the right tools, it's time to start locating leaks. Air leaks are usually found in predictable areas like the air ducts, compressor lines, or seals. Here's how to methodically check your truck's air system for leaks. Inspecting air ducts and hoses. Air ducts carry air through the system, and they're prime spots for leaks. Start by checking joints and fittings. Look for gaps or wear on duct tape, gaskets, or rubber seals. Cracks or holes. Even small cracks can cause significant air loss. Flexible hose connections. These parts can wear out or come loose. Check the air compressor and connections. The air compressor is a crucial component for maintaining cabin pressure. Inspect the hoses and connections that lead to and from the compressor. Tighten any loose fittings or replace any frayed hoses. Vents and seals. Vents and seals around doors or windows are common leak sources. Make sure these seals are intact and securely attached. Look for visible damage or wear and tear. Cabin climate control. If your HVAC system isn't performing properly or the air feels inconsistent, there could be an issue with the seals or ducts. Check for drafts around the cabin or air escaping from vent covers. Even small leaks in the cabin air system can reduce system efficiency and lead to higher fuel consumption. Using tools for confirmation. If you suspect a leak but aren't sure, these tools can confirm whether you're on the right track. Smoke pencil. If smoke wavers or gets pulled into a gap near your suspect area, you've found a leak. Ultrasonic detector. High-pitched sounds or loud signals will confirm the presence of a leak. Soap solution. Bubbles form right where air is escaping, so this is a clear sign of a leak. Mark any areas you find with painter's tape for easy reference during repairs. Repairing air system leaks. Once you've found the leaks, it's time to fix them. The repair method depends on the size and location of the leak, sealing small leaks with tape or sealant. For minor gaps, you can use specialized air system sealants or duct tape. Mastic sealant works well for irregular surfaces, while heavy-duty aluminum tape is perfect for straight seams. How to apply mastic sealant? Clean the area around the leak. Use a disposable brush to apply the mastic evenly over the gap. Let it dry completely before running the system again. Using foil tape. Use only AOL-listed aluminum tape, as regular duct tape won't last. Press the tape firmly over the leak, ensuring no wrinkles or bubbles. Smooth the edges to create a tight seal. Replacing damaged air ducts or components. If you find significant damage, such as large holes or collapsed ducts, you may need to replace the affected sections. Here's how to do it. Turn off the truck's HVAC system. Use tin snips to remove the damaged section of the duct. Replace it with a matching part from a hardware store. Secure the new section with metal screws and seal all seams with mastic or foil tape. If the duct is in a hard-to-reach area or requires major reshaping, it's best to call in a professional. That's all for today's video. Now you know how to spot those pesky air system leaks and fix them to save on fuel. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Don't forget to check out part 2, where we'll dive into advanced repairs and maintenance tips. See you in the next one. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.